Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the year in Google Street View using the mobile app. So let's jump into it. First of all, simply make sure your device is connected to the Wi-Fi and make sure to watch till the end. Simply open your Google Map application. After opening the Google Map application, search for a location that supports Street View like a well-known street or a city. Tap and hold on the map to drop a pin like this. If Street View is available, tap the Street View thumbnail 360 image. So there is no Street View. I will search for another location. As you can see, here is Street View and Street View thumbnail 360 image, and simply click on the Street View. Look at the top left corner by clicking here. Now you are in the Street View. As you can see below, here is the option called See More Date. Simply click on it. After clicking here, a timeline will open. Swipe through to see a different years. If available, tap a year to view that version of Street View. Like this is in October 2023 and this is in November 2023. As you can see, if you don't see the clock icon, it means older imagery isn't available for the location on mobile. And that's how you explore different years in Street View using Google Map on your phone. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more quick tips, and I will see you in the next one.